corrective maintenance. What is corrective maintenance? Corrective maintenance is nothing but an equipment or a machine is used until a failure occurs. In other words, when the machine or equipment stops working, you go and correct it. What do you mean by correct? You put it right. What do you mean by you put it right? In other words, you fix it. What do you mean by you fix it? You put it back to the previous condition, working condition. So I hope you are very clear about what is corrective. In other words, I have children. When one of my children does something wrong, I correct it. Otherwise, he will go in a wrong way. Correction means showing the right way and changing my child to bring back to the correct road. Don't go to that road. So correction is fixing it, repairing it, putting it back to the original condition. Now, let me take you through the disadvantages of carrying out corrective maintenance. What is corrective maintenance? When a machine or equipment fails, you go and correct it. You go and fix it. You go and repair it. What happens when you repair it? When you fix it? What are the disadvantages to your organization? Number one, look at you may have experienced when something fails, when an equipment or machine fails, when you try to repair it, always high expense. Let me explain to you a true case study. What happened at Taj? Because I showed you Taj, I'll bring many experiences from Taj. Because you know exactly the Taj condition because I started with Taj. Now, at that time I was a shift engineer. We had a laundry, state of art laundry. So I was a morning shift engineer. Around 11 o'clock in the morning, I received a call to the control room from the laundry manager, our exhaust fan is not working, come soon. We can't work. So I told my technician, take your multimeter, take your tools and also measure the insulation resistance. Come, let's go. So we went to the exhaust fan machine. It's roughly about 50 horsepower, big machine. And it's a star delta. So we switch on the star delta, the push button. It didn't work. So I told my technician, remove the cover. So he removed the cover. And I said, check the voltage, the three phases are coming. Then, no, then it won't. So I told him to remove the three bells, motor and the blower. So he removed the three bells. Then we removed the motor wires and we just checked the control reading. the contactors on, contact and the delta contact on. So it's not a problem with the star delta circuit, but it energizes, but motor doesn't work. Then I told the technician to remove the motor cover, the cable, and I got the mega we call it insulation. I checked the insulation, motor is burned, 50 horsepower. Then I said to remove the motor, to send it for rewinding. Then I tried to turn the blower. I could. Then I got three people to come and help just to turn the wheel of the blower. It doesn't. And I told them to remove the shaft, the blower. When we remove the blower, the bearing has got seized and the shaft has cut. The shaft, because bearing has ceased, because we are not, as I told you, that's why I said I'm going to take tired experiences, because I gave you the background, because no one did maintenance, no one has put grease. Then what happened? We took the shaft out. Shaft is fully unbalanced because it's a got, and we gave it to the lathe to fill the shaft and to rewind the motor and to replace bearings. Huge cost. Remember, my dear friends, when a machine breaks down, there is always high expense. That's why 1930s, when people when equipment failed, they found it is cumbersome, it is taboo, there's a downtime. It's so one disadvantage is high expense when a machine breaks down. Remember Rukshan's laundry machine.